Hey everybody, welcome back to Huffler Garage. We're here today with our 2002 Toyota Sequoia with over 300,000 miles on it. And like other cars about that age and with that many miles on the road, you run into a lot of problems with your headlights oxidizing. It's just a common problem with these plastic headlights. There's a few different options that you can use. There's different buffing kits, but oftentimes they just don't work that well, and when they do, they just re-oxidize fairly quickly. So in our case, we were able to go on Amazon and get the headlights for $60 a piece. So we'd strongly suggest that if your vehicle has headlights that would be about that much, then it would be in the best interest to go ahead and buy new ones. So we're going to walk you through replacing these today. We'll join us here in a few moments. Okay guys, so to get this started, you're going to be removing a little plastic screw here. It's basically the part that's holding this side headlight in. You'll probably break it like we did when doing this because it's just dry rotted, so you may need to get a new one, but quite honestly you probably don't need it because these side lights here are so difficult to get out. We actually had to just use a pry bar that we put in right about here and just kind of got it in there and pried it out. It took us a while, and that'll probably be the most difficult part of the actual job, is getting those out. Then you'll just need a 10mm socket wrench and some extensions. There's 4 bolts on it, and once you get those removed, the headlight will come right out. Okay, so you just saw what they looked like when they were on. Now you can see both headlights off. Obviously we just got this one replaced, and then you can see the other one, big difference between the two. So we're going to go ahead and replace the other one, and then we'll show you guys the final product. Alright, so we got both headlights replaced, so we can see it looks a lot better. Even on this older vehicle, just makes night and day difference. You can clearly see the oxidization was just awful. The new one's fully clear, much brighter lighting on it, and it'll be much safer for the road.